Cool.
What was Tita
You have
May?
to press the red. Tita May will call me back later. We will talk about you visiting her, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Your bag and your books.
Yes. Everything's here.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There was the clown.
Ah.
Then it put it. Then all the kids beat them.
You had a game? Like a game?
Yeah, we got a game.
Wow. Whose birthday? What's the name of your friend?
Nathan.
Nathan has a birthday?
Yes.
And what food did you eat?
We ate Jollibee.
Oh my goodness. And what are the toys you won in the game?
I won a motorcycle.
Na-pressure naman ako sa birthday na yan.
Batman.
Aha.
Giraffe. Let me see what's
Wow. Oh no. Chico will be very happy to see that. Are you going to share?
there. Yeah, I want to share.
Show me some. Show me more. You put out all. Oh, and this one is Minecraft. Kaya likes it.
Yeah, Makaya loves Minecraft.
Okay, Be, show mommy everything you got for it. You finished your food?
No.
That's why I was seeing spaghetti sauce on your uniform. Okay, show me one by one. What did you get?
I got a Batman.
Cotton candy Batman.
Yeah, I got.
Okay, next you put here. Next, what else did you get?
I got a lollipop.
Lollipop. You put here. What else?
Then I got Oreos.
Surprise egg. Avengers.
Surprise eggs.
Avengers.
Avengers.
Next. So many. Nathan, thank you, Nathan.
Then I got some of this
Toy.
toy.
Wow, today must be fun for you.
Yeah. Then even I got some jelly.
Nice. What else?
I even got a toy.
Fish toy. Oh, Mayumi will like that.
Yeah.
Oh, what else?
I got Pikachu Oreos.
I like that. What else?
Even some cookies. My favorite.
Pretzels. Nice.
Then I got
Nips.
some nips.
Mm-hmm.
Then some
Chocolates.
chocolates. And some
Wafer.
wafer. And
More chocolates.
more chocolates. And
Nips.
nips more. Then I even got chocolates.
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. Then marshmallows.
Wow, marshmallows.
Then this.
Nougat.
Nougat. Then this.
What's this?
I don't know.
Interesting. I think Ning Ning will like this.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Let me see.
You can open later na lang so you can show Auntie Christine. What else did you get?
I even got toys.
Toys, so many toys. And peach mango pie.
Yeah, big
Wow. So, Nathan's birthday, did you say a very big thank you to Nathan?
Yes.
And how old is Nathan today?
4.
4. Like you.
Yeah.
Wow, good job. Let's show me your bag. What toy? Who gave you the toy? Let me see.
Colby gave me.
Wow, he's a very sweet brother, right? Nagsabi ka ng salamat?
But I got it out.
Wow, nagsalamat ka? Wow. Nagsalamat ka? Yes, very good. Hello guys, good afternoon. Time check tayo, alauna. Alauna ba, Tiboji? Alauna ng hapon. So, dinala ko si Chico sa doctor para magpa-check up dahil ang kanyang ubo at sipon ay mag 1 week na. So, siguraduhin ko lang na okay siya, pati yung kanyang temperature or hindi ba siya dengue, palayo lang Lord, wag naman sana. Dahil alam nyo naman dito, marami ng mga sakit, maulan-ulan pa, may mga lamok pa, ay nako. Pwedeng tumira sa kuweba. So, pa-check up ko lang siya para ma-at ease ako and then kung ano sabihin ng doktor, tingnan natin mamaya. Yeah? You play now with the bouncing pony. 1, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Oh, oh, oh. Matumba man ang kabayo. Kabayo yan, reindeer. Orange or red? Dito ka, oh, maglaro, oh. Oh, daw muli o kapoy laway man. Laway man. Okay. Dog! Woof woof! Aso! Aso! Woof woof! May aso? May aso? Saan magpunta ang aso? Saan magpunta ang aso? Si Mayumi? Saan magpunta, Bi? Magmanda ang leg ni Mayumi. Amoy laway man. Amoy laway man yan. Amoy laway man. Kahiya man, uy. Love you. Very good man yan. Mag-walk around kayo.
Okay, bye, man.
Bye-bye, Mayumi. Wow! Very good. Wow! Wow, nag-sit down na bala. Hala, uy, be. Abot chikik. Ik. Charakang kaila, charakang kang loy. Charakik and chirikang kang lo. Nanti wai baca. Chiri reflog. Mangita si Ate Fuji. Hi! Hi! Saan ka nagatingin? Ay, Yumi! Pika mo? Pika mo? Pika mo? Pika mo? Pika mo? Pika mo? Hi! Dry skin. Hindi ka na naman nag-lotion, no? Hindi ka na naman g-lotion. Mag-lotion ka, ha? Ha?
La 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 la. Mayumi. Bum sam sam. Bum sam sam. Kuli. Oh bum sam sam. Oh wabi. Oh wabi. Kuli. Oh bum sam sam. Up high. For the sky. Do you wanna be a wolf and faster? Younger Billy, no faster.
Good job, anak. You're a good,
I'm going this one.
you're a good kuya. No, you're wearing your uniform later. PE uniform.
How about this one?
This one only for your bag. I'll tell auntie. Guys, kakain muna ako ng karinderya kasi hindi ako nakakain ng breakfast sa bahay dahil late ako nagising. So, eto yung kakainin natin ngayon sa karinderya. Eto yung paborito kong karinderya kasi masarap sila magluto. So, kain na ako, guys. Guys, maayong buntag! Welcome once again sa ating YouTube channel. Ito na naman si Princess Jeniga. Mag-iingay sa inyong umaga, hapon, gabi, pananghalian, merienda, lahat na. Maaga ako ngayon, time check 8:10. Siyempre, naging nanay ako at hinatid ko muna si Kulit Kulot. Dahil alam niyo yung batang yun ay naglalambing talaga ng bonggelch. So, kanina ay natuwa ako sa kanya kaninang umaga. Late na siyang nagising. Pero, okay naman kasi nakaabot pa kami. Si Chico naman, nagising ako guys ng mga alas 3. Meron akong katabing maliit na bata. So, lumipat pala siya sa kwarto ko para umihi lang sa kama ko guys. Kasi si Chico po ay, hindi na siya nagda-diaper. Meron talaga most of the days, 80%, 90%, hindi na talaga siya naiihi. Pero may mga times talaga na naiihi siya. So, okay lang. Hindi ko naman pinapagalitan. Pero what's the good thing is, when Chico does that, babangon siya, huhubarin niya yung kanyang basang damit, and then kukuha siya sa cabinet niya ng bagong damit, isusuot niya, and then sasabihan niya ako na nakaihi siya at magsusorry. Sorry ma'am, hihihi. Ganon ang mukha ni Chico. So kanina nag-sorry siya at in-acknowledge ko naman yung kanyang pag-apologize. Kasi it's okay naman eh. Pinapractice ko sa mga bata na okay lang magkamali. At basta mag-sorry ka lang, move on na. Ganon yung tinuturo ko sa kanila. So anyway, kumain lang ako dito sa karinderya dahil nga late akong nagising, wala na akong time mag-breakfast. But because I have medicines, I have to make sure na maayos yung aking breakfast at solid. At after kong hinatid si Calby, ngayon ako ay didiretso sa isang instrument store kasi ang aking goal for this month ay magkaroon ng mga anak ko ng instrument sa bahay. So, I'm going to check kung ano yung pwede at pasok sa budget ko. Titingnan natin. So, sama ko kayo guys, syempre. Baka wala kayong ginagawa at hindi kayo busy. Samahan nyo ko, tara. Sabay-sabay tayong mamili ng instrument para kay Mayumi, kay Kulit Kulot, tsaka kay Chico Chico. And marami nga palang nagtatanong sa inyo kung kamusta na si Kuya Kahil. I know I have not been sharing with you guys ang mga ganap-ganap sa buhay ng aking apakagwapo at apakalambing na eldest son. Si Kuya Kahil na ngayon ay nag-aaral sa Thailand. Grade 6 na siya. Nag-aaral din siya ng kanyang soccer training doon because he wants to become a professional soccer player. And also recently nag-add siya ng Muay Thai or kickboxing sa kanyang sports. So, kagabi nag-usap kami, umiyak siya. Alam nyo, minsan iniisip ko, yung anak kong yan is talagang namimiss niya yung feeling ng nanay. Dahil 11 years kaming magkasama, 10 years na sa akin talaga si Kahil. So, there's a big gap na hindi na kami magkasama ngayon. And he becomes very emotional every time his dad talks to him na reminds him that mommy is here every day and he needs to talk to mommy. Pero alam nyo naman minsan pagod. Though the dad is not happy kapag hindi siya responsible sa pagtawag sa akin. Kasi ganun yung co-parenting style namin ba. I support him as a dad, he supports me as a mom. So, it's kind of peaceful. But anyway, Kahil and I spoke about nag-field trip sila and then wala masyado guys kasi iyak lang siya ng iyak. Pero change ko naman yung topic. I showed him the books na binili ko sa mga kapatid niya, yung Gruffalo. Kasi when he was 2 years old, yan din yung kinikwento ko sa kanya. Hanggang naging 5 siya. Favorite niya talaga yung aklat na yan. So, he said he cannot remember daw. So, inulit ko yung story. Pero, naalala niya naman ng dahan-dahan. So, anyway, Kahil is okay. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal ninyo, pagkumusta. He's very, very fine. He's growing well with his father. His father disciplines him, I would say, very much. Kasi alam niyo na yung panahon ngayon, guys, yung peer factor is very, nakaka-pressure. And other kids, alam ko I saw kids na they feel like bad words are cool, they feel like bullying other children are cool. So his dad is making sure that Kahil is not going to that direction. And I am very happy. His dad is strict, hindi na mamalo yung tatay ni Kahil, but once he says something, talagang si Kahil takot na takot sa tatay niya kasi words yung tatay niya talaga eye to eye. So anyway, yeah, let's go. Punta tayo sa isang instrument shop and then we'll see what's there. Tara! We'll try and you will see if you like. Yeah? You greet people. Greet people. Greet people. Hi. Morning. You see the guitar behind you? Do you like guitar? Oy, look at what? It's cute.
Ano man niya?
Yeah, I got a smaller one for you. Maliit lang sa'yo. Malaki man to.
Where?
Eto, nandun pa na sa loob ng box. How about yon yung drums? Not for you or for you? Not for you. Piano? For you or not for you?
Me.
For you? Okay. You think Mayumi will like?
Yeah.
Lagi. Pero sticker lang man siya. Pero dili siya affected. Okay. Normally, pag inganaon sang maguba, asa dapat careful sa buttons, no?
Sa mga case man. Pero dali na ba ayun ng case man?
Be soft, anak. Be gentle lang. Gentle lang.
Siya magamit, ma'am?
Mga anak na ako.
Just muna di siya po mag-upgrade.
Mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay maraming linga. One more time daw. Ito parts will play for you. Ready? Go! Kahit munti malaman doon ay sari-sari singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani. Very good. Kundol, patola, upos, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pa labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay maraming lingaw. And bow. Bow pa. Bow. You have to bow. Reason why they have to be there. Maybe they're naughty.
Yeah, naughty, yes. I can go outside.
Nah. They have to go to school first.
Why?
Because they're dogs. They have to learn.
But,
Like
but
you.
no one can teach.
No, they have a teacher too. Learn when to sit down. Learn when to poop. Say bye-bye to them.
Ilan ko ba sila ka?
Opo, maglagay na ng piano po. Tara na.
Bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye, dogs.
Bye. Wow, they love you. Dahil na.
Ma'am, ang resibo, ma'am.
Thank you, Mom, for the piano.
You're welcome po. Mag-learn ka pa man. Like swimming ba, you will learn first. Okay?
Then next, what are we
And
going to do?
speaking of swimming, you have to go back to swimming lesson soon, okay?
Okay, now?
No, next week na lang ha.
Okay, so we are going home now?
Opo. Kay magpack ka pa ng things. Magpunta tayo kay Tita May, remember?
Yes, I'm so excited. While we are packing and I'm bored, I'm going to ask, Mom, please, can I play with my piano? Daddy, Mommy, brother. Daddy, Mommy, brother. Oh, wait. Daddy, Mommy, brother. Daddy, Mommy, brother, sister, baby.
You make me laugh. Come and sit. Sorry? How are you?
Fine.
Did you have a good fun today?
Yes.
You had a good time? And today, where are you going?
I'm going for swimming lesson, but today I think don't jump in the pool.
Why?
Because last time there was a long green sea, then I had to jump to it.
Oh, that's what the coach said.
Then I was just about to sink, then
Just listen to the coach.
I was just about a bit. I didn't sink up to down.
Sorry. But the coach is there, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure I will take care of you.
But for me, I don't think that we are not. For me, I think we'll not do it today again.
Right, that's okay. Just trust your coach. Like how you trust mommy and how you trust
So
Tito
he's the
Parts.
boss of the house?
No,
Every house?
he's your coach in swimming. Like Tito
but-
Parts is your coach in piano. And mommy is your coach at home. Right?
Yeah, the coach even how to beat people.
The coach doesn't know how to beat.
No, yeah, the coach sometimes you beat people.
Who do I beat?
Me and Chico.
When do I do that?
Every time.
When what?
Every time when we don't listen, you just beat us.
Really?
Yes.
Is it painful?
It's painful.
Calvia, don't lie.
Yes, I'm not lying.
I don't do that, Calvi.
Yes, you do.
Of course, I slap.
Like last time, I thought that the Batman and the other toys.
I slap.
Yes, you do.
I did slap. That's true. Because mommy slap. I do
Yeah.
slap. And
Not
that's okay. And you know the reason why I slap, right?
yes.
What's the reason why I slap?
Because
You did what?
we don't listen.
And what else? And how many times do mommy count before I slap?
Please.
3 times. When I count to 1, what should you do?
We have to listen.
And when I count to 2, what does that mean?
I mean almost.
Almost. Mommy is almost going to slap you. And when I count to 3,
Beat.
I slap you. And then what if I go back to 0? What happened when I go back to 0?
It will not fail.
It means what? When I count to 1 and you listened, what happens? I go back to what?
1.
I go back to 0, right?
Mm.
That means I am warning you and I know you understand.
I know you understand. That means you have to listen.
At least you buy new things for us, but sometimes you just beat us after buying things.
That's not true, Calvi.
And you even forgot my bike and my drawing book at least.
But it's not yet time for that. The teacher just reminded me to buy. It's not yet emergency, like you have to buy. But are you grateful? Do you have a grateful heart? Can I see the heart? Your heart is not grateful?
No.
You're not thankful?
But I'm not thankful because long time because of you. You beat me.
It's not nice not being thankful, Calvi. I told you already. I know how to slap. I know how to beat. I'm your mother and I'm going to discipline you when you are bad. Right? Yes or no?
So you decide everything?
No, it's my mom and my dad who decides for me when I was younger. And I'm going to decide for you when you're younger. But when you're bigger, you can decide on your own.
No,
How old are you?
You said I'm young now. Now you have to be the boss.
I'm not the boss. I'm your mother.
You have to do whatever you want, and when I grow up, still you have to do whatever you want.
Are you sure? Are you grown up yet?
No.
Then you have to wait until you're grown up to say that.
If I'm a grown up, you still do whatever you want to.
Then we shall wait until you're grown up, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's okay.
When I'm a grown up, for me I think I'm going to run out the house.
Why are you looking sad? You don't want to grow up?
I'm going to run out the house when you're not seeing me there, when no one's there.
Now your heart is full of anger, and that's not okay. Okay.
I'm going to run out the.
Is that a good thing to do?
Then
Is that a good thing to do? I'm asking.
Then I'm going.
Is that a good thing to do? Yes or no? Good.
No. But
I need you to let go of your heart so we can come down together and listen to music.
No, I never want the heart to my roof their hands by my heart.
You have to let go, my love. You have to calm down. Your heart is not okay. You have to calm down. You see?
My heart is still closing because I'm here.
Hi. Hi. I love you. Hi. Hi. I see you again. Hi. Pretty. Hi. Hi. Gigi. Hadi. Mama. 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 Close open. Close open. Close open. No, she was trying to say mama and auntie. Mama, auntie, Chico. You have to teach her, okay? Say Chico. Say Calvi. Sorry. Say Calvi. Say auntie. Say Ati Buji. Say Wawa. Mama. I love those eyes. Those eyes are...
Eyeball.
What?
Eyeball.
Eyeball, correct.
Eyeball on your eye.
Correct po.
Meow.
Where's your eyeball? Correct.
Meow.
Mayumi's eyeball is color?
Black.
Very good, black. Hati, Mama.
And Mayumi's leg is very white.
Brown, very good. And what color is her dress?
Blue.
Blue or purple?
Purple.
This is blue. Your shirt is blue.
Purple.
Hatika, Hatika, Hatika.
And your dress is pink.
Thank you. You're right. My dress is pink.
But